Welcome to today's video. So on today's video, guys, I want to be quickly answering some of the questions that I got when I first introduced this particular project to you guys. So the most relevant question that I've got so far is, of course, those of you asking how you guys can be able to win this one. I'm going to be making it clear for you, and I'm also going to be answering the reason why some of you are not able to play games, to play this boss right here. Also, I've got a lot of questions concerning how to get all this blah blah blah. Let me just quickly answer these questions right here on this particular video. So for those of you who are probably hearing about this particular project Airdrop for the first time, the name of this project is called SixSeven, and what they do is that they basically allow you to play a game and of course try your luck. It is totally free. Since I've been exploring this particular project, I have not seen anywhere where they say that you should maybe buy anything or do anything. So far as I know, it's totally free, right? So right now, let's continue right now. So let me answer the first question, which is of course how you can be able to get this 6 and 7. Okay, because you need to get this 6 and 7 before you can be able to play this game. And another thing that I want to make very clear is that this game that you are playing right here is totally different from the actual airdrop that is coming. All right, so this game is different from the airdrop that is coming. So this game you are playing right here is just to make the whole thing even much fun, and of course very interactive. Also, I've got some questions about some of you were asking if I think this project is going to pay, or if I think this project is going to be a nice one, whether it is going to do us the same thing that other projects did. So I'm going to be answering all those questions right now. Let me start from the one that I just said right now, which is those of you saying asking if this project will pay up or not. Personally, I won't be the one to tell you whether it will pay or not. All I know is that this project right here is very fun. Personally, I'm interacting with it because of how fun it is. So my hopes are not on it. I'm only doing it because it's fun, and of course it gives me a chance to try out my luck to see if I'm gonna be winning anything interesting. And moreover, apart from playing the game and how fun it is, I also participate on this because of the airdrop that we are expecting anytime soon. So right now, let's go back into the bot right now. First of all, for you to be able to play this game right here, that's going to position you to put you in a position to earn this 5,000 gram, which is around $7,000 or thereabouts. Let me show you. First of all, you need to meet any of these criteria right here. Either you get 6-7, I will show you how to do that, or you hold their token. They have their token already listed on the Binance Smart Chain, or you invite 3 friends. Okay, you invite 3 friends, or this bowling charts time limited events. I haven't checked this out, so I won't be talking about it. So right now, guys, the easiest way to actually get a chance to play this game is through 6-7. And to be able to get this 6-7, when you get 6-7, you are going to having it like this one. And for you to be able to get this 6-7 is for you to go to the chart. Okay, over here on the chart, what you need to do is very simple. Simply go ahead and throw this die. If you throw the die and you are lucky enough to get number 6, just like just like this person right here, if the number 6 is at the top, then you get number 6. But if you use this spin wheel right here, if you have number 7 on the front page, then you have gotten number 7. So that's how you basically get those things. So for example, let me try this out right now. Let me click on it and send it. Let's see what I'm going to be getting at the end. So you can see right now I've got 7. If this 7 is not available here yet, then with that 7 that I've gotten on that spin wheel, then the 7 will be live. Okay, and also playing this game allow you to increase your holdings right here, your point holding. You can see currently I'm holding 111,000 points, and it's currently worth $57. So right now that I've got this 6-7, I will come over here to 6-7 bowling. Okay, so over here on 6-7 bowling, I have to click on this button to refresh this page. I will click on it to refresh the page. You can see right now I've gotten this right now. I have one chance of getting to throw this ball, and that is because I have invited up to 3 persons today. So right now, let me go ahead and play the ball to see how lucky I will be today. Okay, you click on it, then you throw the ball. Okay, now this one is the first one, is just entered. Now I have the chance to throw another one. If I am able to throw it up to 8 times, if I'm able to throw it into this basket up to 8 times, then I'm going to be winning that 5,000 grams. Okay, so right now let's throw another one. Okay, let's see what we're gonna have. Okay, you can see I missed it. So right now I've got this, because I've got only one. You can see this is what I got. So right now I will go back like this. Remember, I've got 6-7, right? I will click on it right now. Now that I've clicked on it, what do I need to do next? The next thing that I need to do is to come over here to 6-7 ball. But remember, very important, before you can be able to play the basketball game, you need to first of all connect your wallet. I will recommend creating a new wallet for that, so that you'll be very safe. So I will go back to 6-7 game right now. Then you can see right here I still have one chance left. Okay, let me just go ahead. Okay, now here we are. Let's see what we're gonna have right here. Okay, I missed it. So right now I will go back, but for those of you who are probably going to be finding it a little bit difficult to throw the ball in the net, I want to also break it to you that some of the time you are not the person to control the ball, or you won't be able to want to tell the ball what to do. Okay, so right now I've exhausted these two chances that I've got right here. So when I click on this, it won't give me anything because I've exhausted these two chances that I've got right here. Okay, so right now I will go back like this, and basically the next thing that I need to talk about right here is of course the quest right here. Over here on the quest, you basically complete any of these tasks right here and you get rewarded. You get to claim the point allotted for it. All right, so basically coming over here to friendly, this is where you get to invite people using your own referral link. Currently I've got just about 32 referral, very small. So over here on leaderboard, it shows you your position on the leaderboard. Currently this is my position right here. I'm the 45,895th person. So I will go back right now to my profile, and basically I believe I have been able to cover all that you need to know concerning this particular airdrop, and right now you won't be finding it any confusing any longer. So if you have any question, let me have it on the comment section, and remember there's going to be a link right there on the video description box or on the comment section that's going to help you get started with this particular airdrop. There's going to be a link for you to use and get started if you are interested in it. All right, so thank you for watching the video, guys. I'll be stopping right here. I'll be talking to you on the next video.